feature many Android users once loved might finally be making a comeback, and this time, it could arrive in a much more modern and smarter form. The upcoming Pixel 11 series is already creating buzz, but a new leak from the Android 17 beta suggests something unexpected. A feature called Pixel Glow has appeared in the code, and it could bring back a classic Android experience with a fresh twist. According to details found inside Android 17 Beta 4, Pixel Glow seems to be a hardware-based feature designed for the back of the phone. Unlike traditional notifications that light up the screen, this feature focuses on subtle lighting effects on the rear panel. The idea is simple but powerful. When the phone is placed face down, it can still communicate important information through soft light and color. This is where things start to get interesting. The Pixel Glow feature is not just about aesthetics. It is designed to help users stay focused while still being aware of what matters. Instead of constantly checking the screen and getting distracted, the phone quietly notifies the user through gentle lighting. It is a small change, but it could have a big impact on how people interact with their devices. The concept also ties closely with Google's digital well-being approach. The goal is to reduce screen time and interruptions without completely disconnecting from important alerts. Pixel Glow is described as a way to help users stay in the moment without losing touch, and that perfectly explains its purpose. It is not about adding more notifications. It is about delivering them in a smarter and less intrusive way. One of the key use cases mentioned in the leak is incoming calls. For example, when a favorite contact is calling, the back of the phone could light up in a specific way. This allows the user to recognize important calls instantly, even without turning the phone over. However, there is a condition. If flash notifications are already enabled, Pixel Glow may not activate for calls, which shows that Google is trying to avoid overlapping features. Another interesting detail is the integration with Google Gemini. Pixel Glow could provide visual feedback when interacting with the AI assistant. This opens the door to hands-free interactions where the phone communicates through light instead of sound or screen activity. It could be especially useful in situations where looking at the screen is not convenient, such as during meetings or while working. Users will also have control over the feature. Different lighting behaviors can be turned on or off individually from the settings. This flexibility ensures that the feature remains useful without becoming annoying or distracting. Customization has always been a strong point of Android, and Pixel Glow seems to continue that tradition. Now, one big question remains. Where exactly will these lights be placed on the Pixel 11? Early renders of the device did not show any obvious lighting elements, which makes the implementation a bit mysterious. However, there are a couple of strong possibilities. The first option is the redesigned camera bar. The Pixel's camera bar has always been a signature design element, and recent leaks suggest it may have a more uniform look this time. Integrating lighting into the camera bar could make it even more unique and functional at the same time. The second possibility is the Google logo on the back. This would be a nostalgic move, reminding many users of older devices that featured glowing logos. It would also allow the lighting to remain subtle while still being visible enough to serve its purpose. What makes Pixel Glow even more exciting is the sense of nostalgia it brings. Several years ago, many Android phones included notification LEDs. These tiny lights were incredibly useful, providing quick updates about messages, calls, and other alerts without needing to wake the screen. However, as smartphone designs evolved and bezels became thinner, these LEDs slowly disappeared. Pixel Glow feels like a natural evolution of that idea. Instead of a small dot of light, users could now get more expressive and customizable lighting effects. It combines the simplicity of old notification LEDs with modern design and smart features. At the same time, it offers an alternative to always-on displays. While always-on screens provide constant information, not everyone prefers them. Some users find them distracting or unnecessary. Pixel Glow offers a middle ground. It delivers important alerts without keeping the screen active all the time. Another advantage is battery efficiency. Subtle lighting on the back could consume less power compared to an always-on display, especially if used selectively. This makes it a practical feature, not just a visual gimmick. Of course, everything at this stage is based on leaks and early information. The presence of Pixel Glow in Android 17 strongly suggests that it will debut with the Pixel 11 series, but final details could still change. Google may refine the feature further before the official launch, adding new capabilities or adjusting how it works. Still, the direction is clear. Smartphones are no longer just about bigger screens and faster processors. there is a growing focus on user experience, digital well-being, and smarter interactions. Pixel Glow fits perfectly into this trend, offering a fresh way to stay connected without being overwhelmed. If implemented well, this feature could become one of the standout highlights of the Pixel 11 lineup. It brings back a beloved idea, improves it with modern technology, and aligns it with how people use their phones today. As more details continue to surface, the excitement around the Pixel 11 is only going to grow. A simple light on the back of a phone might not sound revolutionary at first, but sometimes the smallest features make the biggest difference in everyday use. For those who miss the classic notification LED or want a less distracting way to stay updated, Pixel Glow could be exactly what they have been waiting for. Stay tuned for more updates on the Pixel 11 and the latest smartphone innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.